Welcome. In today's quick guide, you'll learn how to filter important emails from a specific contact in Gmail right from your Android or iPhone. If you want your inbox organized and never want to miss vital messages, follow these updated steps. First, open the Gmail app on your Android or iPhone. Look for the menu icon, which appears as 3 horizontal lines in the top left corner of your screen, and tap it. This will open up a list of different mailbox sections. Next, find the section labeled Important and tap on it. This view shows all emails Gmail has already marked as important, but we're going to make sure messages from your chosen contact always show up here. Now go to the search bar right at the top of your screen. This is where the real power of Gmail's filters comes in. Tap on the search bar. You'll see several suggestions below it. Choose from. Here, you can either pick a contact from your list or manually type in the email address of the person whose emails you want to filter. After you type or select the contact, you'll see a list of all emails from this person. But what if you want future emails from them to be automatically marked as important? Here's a bonus tip. Look for the 3-dot icon, usually located next to the search bar or within the email itself. Tap it, then select Filter Messages like these. You can now review the filter settings. Confirm that the contact's email address appears in the From field. Then, choose the action you want, like marking these emails as important or applying a label that helps you quickly identify them. Tap to save or create filter. That's it. With these steps, you've created a personalized filter right from your mobile device, ensuring important emails from your selected contact always rise to the top, keeping your inbox clutter-free and focused on what matters most. Try it out and never miss an important message again.